All right, so we're here. So we're on the second floor. So we come from that way. Elevator's over there. That's our room. And then there's room all the way down there. And you turn around. So the rooms are facing each other, but they're in a little enclave like. So here we are. So this is our room right here. So when you go into the room, you go to the bathroom, right? This is a bathroom. Oh my gosh. Look at this mirror. Wicked. To sing tons of fresh, nice, new towels. Whew. Look at these. Alright. So you get your lotion and stuff like that. And your hair dryers on the wall for you. Those are, of course, for your robes or your night clothes. And then here is a sliding bathroom with all of your shampoo and body wash and conditioner. The rain shower. So this is our bathroom. Nice big bathroom. And there we go. So this is the bathroom. And then when you come out of the bathroom, then to the right is a toilet. So I like that the toilet is separate so you can have your privacy. Look at that. So this is a bathroom with a door, of course. Nice size. So somebody can be using this while a person's shower. So we're inside. You have to keep the card in the lock for it to card in the slot for the light to turn on. So again, we're on the second floor. So this is what the room looks like. Of course, we just arrived. It's been a whole day. The liquor is not, it's empty, but they will fill it up later. We have a fridge, and in the fridge, there is water. Of course, see, water. Look at that. Those shrimps. Oh, that's nice. Right? You can have your little fridge here. And then there is coffee and tea and an ice bucket right here. And they have 24-hour room service, right? 24-hour room service. So we just have, there's a nice big mirror for when you're getting dressed. And over here is a closet. It's a closet. Lots of hangers. Lots of hangers. Extra stuff up there. Of course, it's safe, which is important. So enough space for us. And here we have plugs and a control for your light, and somewhere where you know, a little table where you put your stuff. Then the bed. So it's a king size bed. So this is just a regular room. This is not a upgrade or anything. We might look into an upgrade if it's reasonable with the swimming pool. But look at the, and there's a fan. Oh my God, I need a fan. Air condition is working well. So of course, a dresser, all our stuff on it. And a big nice TV, and then this is a little writing area where you sit, or you know, you can have your breakfast here too. You can do a little whatever you want to do here, and then it's like a suite, right? So you have your little living room area, right? There we go. So nice, cozy. Love the color. It's not too bright. It's kind of a brown and beige thing going on here. Everything is like, you know, as you can see, the decor is got, you know, with a little tint of olive green in it, right? There we go. And now this is a balcony, and because we're on the second floor, right? Girl, I don't know how to open this balcony door yet. But we're on the second floor, and the sea is over there. So we can see the sea. And we can see all the other properties so far. So there's two lounge chair, and let me see. There's a, oh my God, there's a lock. Oh, is that where you open it? Let's see. Yeah. And as soon as you open the door, of course, the air condition turns off. So this is our balcony, but you guys know that I'm afraid of lizard, eh? So I'm being very careful, and I'm looking if any lizard is out here. Oh my God. Is there any lizard? So this is our little balcony. And then, oh my God, then it's raining. It was raining. I can see the sea, and I can see, is that a boat? Is that a boat over there? Possibly a boat on the horizon. And then there's a beach down there, guys. And then because we're over, our balcony is like hanging over this foyer. So under us is a foyer. This is where the foyer is, right under that. But we don't mind. I think over there, over that building over there is the Blue Waters. But we'll find out more. So yeah, this is it. Beautiful. Nice. I love it. Right? Awesome. That's it.